So, this is day 9 of me recording myself every single day till the time I become fill in the blanks because I have been using lately very quite a lot of words to fill these spaces. You can call me a communicator, a orator, or something different as well. So, this is going to be the part 2 of the storytelling video of the previously, where I'm going to continue from where I left behind. So, just to give you a small recap of the whole story, let me tell you it. So, as I was telling you that I was on a journey from point A to point B, and in the meanwhile, I met some people. I met some people, and I was about to talk to them, but due to some reasons, some interference of random persons, I was not able to talk to them. So I was not able to talk to them, but I was getting very eager, very anxious because I really wanted somebody to talk to. So after I had crossed almost half of my destination, I came across a Japanese couple. Like they were coming from point A and they have wandered the whole scenario, whole thing, and they were just onto their laptops. Like I was just going across them, and as I can see, like they were on their laptop, I guess editing some videos of. And when I had a look at those videos were so amazing. Like the camera shots they have taken, or the background noises, I won't call it as noise, I would call it more rather a sound. And so that was all amazing, so I stopped by and I asked them, like, have you recorded those videos? Then just in an instant, the guy whose name I still can't recall because his name was some sort of Japanese types, so still I greeted him and I said hello, like I told him my name, and then we had a talk regarding like what is he doing. And so he told me very interesting story about all these things that has gone behind it. So as he was telling me that he had already been to more than 40 countries, and apart from that, he has he has quit his job like almost 5 years back, and he is currently of 28 years of age. And beside him sitting was, I guess, his wife, because they were looking like a couple. So I inquired him like from where, and to be honest, the most excited thing about them was that they both were from Japan. Yes, the country where I dream of visiting that. So I told them that as of now I'm just a student and I'm not gone on any international trip, but as soon as I'm able to go to any international location, that is definitely going to be first place, it is going to be Japan only. So they blushed and they like they were so engaged in my whole conversation, like they were just smiling and looking me out, and was I was just telling them like how badly I want to visit Japan and all those stories. And they even showed me their channel. Actually, they have got a YouTube channel and an Instagram page. So both of these things of them were in very early stage, but still I know, like I followed all their channels, and so they were doing a really good job. And then we had a talk regarding how's life going and from where they have started their journey. Actually, they have been in India for more than 3 weeks, and they started their journey from Kolkata, and now they went to point A. Now they were heading towards point B, the last destination, and then they were about to go to Amritsar, and then they will go to Rishikesh, and then they will go to some probably another country, maybe Middle East. So that was all I had during conversation, and it kind of felt like, but this is the thing which I want to do. Like I just want to work till a certain age, and then I just want to give up all the things and just wander around. Like there's nothing to worry about. And from previously India, they visited Sri Lanka also. So that was all the story. Like, and definitely I am going to come up with a part 3 of this storytelling. And till then, stay tuned.